everyone, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. So today we have awesome chocolate egg surprises. I think today we will start up here on the top row and work our way down. And our first egg comes from Star Wars. Oh, that looks cool. I like that wrapper. Inside is a flyer and our surprise. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. But he's only got half a body. Oh my goodness gracious. Where's the rest of him? That is so crazy. All right, we'll put you up here and we'll move on to My Little Pony. Delicious Kinder chocolate. And inside we have the toy and a flyer. Lots of different ponies to collect. Aw, and it looks like we have Fluttershy. Oh, look how sweet she is. And look, her tail is like real hair. And here's a little piece, you can comb it. And this is also a display stand. And there it is, all put together. That is really, really super cute. Oh, I love Kinder Eggs. They always have the best toys. And our next one comes from Angry Birds. Oh, and inside we have like a little 3D crystal Angry Bird. That's pretty cool. And of course a flyer. Finding Dory. A flyer, and it looks like we have Hank, and here he is all put together. That's really cute. I like that one too. And next we have Paw Patrol. There's Zuma. Oh my gosh, and inside is Chase in a whole lot of pieces. Oh my goodness, we're gonna have to put them together. There's the directions. And here we have Chase all put together. I had to put everything on, even his feet. He came in a lot of pieces, but he's all ready to go. Chase is on the case. And here's a Kinder Chocolate Surprise Egg. Aww. The flyer. And I'll put it together. This is super cute. Okay, so here is our little toy, and you have to see what it does. It is so super cute. You take it off the little stand, and you see this is like a little smiley face cloud. And you put the cloud under a piece of paper like this, and then the bottom is like crayons, and it acts almost like a stencil and you'll be able to see the smiley face cloud. This isn't the best paper, but you can kind of see that, right? Isn't that cute? Oh, that's a good one. I love Kinder Surprise Eggs. And next is a Minnie Mouse egg. Aw, I see Mickey. So cute. I see Donald. And Pluto. And inside is the flyer. And I think we have Daisy Duck. Yes, we do. And she comes in just 2 pieces. There's Daisy Duck. Aw, that is a really cute one too. And this is a Choco Treasure Egg from Shopkins. Inside is a flyer. So many different toys in these Choco Treasure Eggs. Buttons and bracelets and stickers and puzzles and figurines. I think we got a magnet. We did. And it's Delish Donut. That is really pretty. You can stick her on your refrigerator. And next is Peppa Pig. That's not Peppa Pig, that's Joy from Inside Out. That is so crazy. We got an Inside Out egg in a Peppa Pig box. Oh my goodness, let's see what the prize is. Maybe it's something completely different. Oh, it looks like a Peppa Pig prize anyway. They had the label wrong. That is so crazy. Aw, and inside we have Peppa Pig. And she is all dressed up for cold weather. She's got her hat and her scarf. She's ready for winter. And next we have a Cars egg. And the flyer. Oh, and our race car. There's a piece missing. Here it is. Oh, that's awesome. That is super cool. Okay, time for our bottom row. And the next one is from Frozen. Ooh, look how pretty that egg is. Love the color. Flyer. Oh, cool, we got Sven. Aw, and I gotta put his little antlers on. He is so funny. There we go. There's Sven. Look at his face. He's just so cute, isn't he? Aw. Oh, I love that. And next is The Secret Life of Pets. Oh, we got Snowball. Let's see. Yep, I was gonna say, do we have to put Snowball together? Oh, not really. She just comes on a little display stand. Aw, that is super cute. Oh, and next is a Pirate Fairies egg. And we got Rosetta. I'll put it together. She is one fierce fairy. And next is Doc McStuffins. Oh, again, this is not Doc McStuffins. This is the Good Dinosaur wrapper. All right, let's see what's inside. Well, the capsule's purple, so I'm thinking it probably is a Doc McStuffins prize. Let's see. Yep, it is. It's Doc McStuffins, and we got Chili. Aw, I love Chili. He's super cute. That's so strange, we got different wrappers. Oh, and this is a good one. Here is a Despicable Me 3 Kinder Surprise Egg. I can't wait to see the new movie. My egg is flat. Oh my gosh, Gru has no head. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's funny. Oh my goodness. I got a flat egg. Let's see. Oh my gosh, lots of pieces in this one. Let's look at the flyer. A lot of stuff going on this one. All right, let's put this together. Oh, it looks like we get to play a game. All right, super cool. I'll put it together. Okay, so this is all put together, and this is Baltazar Brat, and he's got this super cool, like, gum machine, and what you have to do is shoot down the cards. There's Gru and Lucy and the little AVL card. So you aim and fire. Oh, I missed. All right, we gotta try it again, right? One more time. Let's see if I can get Gru. All right, I got the AVL card. I'll take it. Okay, guys, that's all of our chocolate egg surprises today. We really got some super cool stuff. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Be sure to come back and subscribe to see more toys and surprises every single day on Cam's Toy Box. I'll see you real soon. Bye now.